Here we go. Okay, the babies have hatched. Oops. Oops, there they go. Yep, there they are. Little baby birds with the beaks. They just hatched today. These are the little baby birds. Their mom had made a nest, and there's four eggs in here. 3 of them have hatched. The 4th one hasn't yet. May not. But anyways, this mommy bird made this nest on the fake flower basket on my door, and she's up there chirping away at me, very upset. So I'm gonna say goodbye, give you one more look at the little chicks. Aww. So this is my update